Hi everyone, so we are going to display the welcome on our OLED display. Okay, so let's check about the connection, how we have to connect the devices. So this is our microcontroller ESP32 and the pin number D22 is connected to the SLC. Okay, and D21 is connected to the SDA and the ground should be connected to the ground and plus VCC should be connected to the plus VCC. We have to install the library before program. That the library is Adafruit GFX library by Adafruit and Adafruit SSD1306 by Adafruit. So we have to install these two library before going to move further. How we can do that? Let's go to Arduino and click over the library. Okay. In library, you have to search the same GFX library by. Okay, so this one is the library. I already installed that. By clicking over the install button, just like this, you can able to add that. And another one is that SSD1306 by Adafruit. SSD1306 by Adafruit. Okay, this one you have to install this one library. Okay, Adafruit SS31306 emulator by Adafruit. You have to install this one. Okay, else you cannot able to walk over there. Okay. Now, so dear all, this is our program. Put this program into the Arduino. So it is showing that module not connected. So what we have to do, we have to connect the module first of all. So once I will connect the microcontroller, it is going to show over here. So now it is showing ESP32 module is showing over here. Let me copy this program, paste this program, and upload this. So the program is also available in the description. Okay, so program is uploading. It will say take a few seconds. So the program is uploaded. Let's see the output. So this is our OLED display on which you can able to see the welcome. Okay, so let me tell you how you have to connect the devices. Okay, so here you can see this is the ground pin. Okay, that should be connected to the ground of microcontroller. Well, I have a common ground for the same, and VCC should be connected to the 3.3 volt or V input for the microcontroller. SLC should be connected to the pin number 22 and SDA should be connected to the pin number 21 of the microcontroller. So that is how we can able to see the output. So you can able to see welcome on the screen. Okay, have a nice day.